Hello everyone and welcome to Fugro Access. Today I'll be showing you how to access and generate reports. These reports provide information regarding the status for acquisition, tile progress, tile acceptance, issue summary, and review, and can be downloaded in Excel format for viewing outside the application. Now let's begin this tutorial by going over how we can generate reports. First, go to Fugro Access's login page at globe.fugro.com/tracking/#sign/sign in. Once displayed, enter your username and password and click Login. Once logged in, your assigned projects will be displayed in the My Project section. Click on the required project and the Project Overview section will be displayed. Here you have links that are available to you depending on your assigned role, and a drop-down of assigned users associated to the selected project. In this tutorial, we'll focus on reporting, so go ahead and click the reporting link. The reporting selected project page will be displayed. Looking at the page, we can see the header on top that has the project name to the left and the select report type drop-down to the right. Now let's briefly go over each type of report and discuss what information is captured. The first type is the acquisition report. This report provides a quick summary of the acquisition status for the project. It is broken up by blocks in large projects, which by default is not shown but can be expanded. The user is able to download a report containing blocks and lines as well. This report is also available on the project tracking page for users with reporting permissions. Next is the tile progress status report. This report lists the tile count and percentage of project for each of the progress status options. These options are listed in the user manual under Appendix A. Then is the tile acceptance status report. This report lists tile count and a percentage of project for each of the acceptance status options. These options are also listed in the user manual under Appendix A. The next report is the issue summary report and is available for online QC projects. This includes a summary of the issue count, a table listing of all issues with filters to filter the list down to meet specific requirements. At the bottom of the report is the issue category statistics. This displays a count and percentage of all issues for each category. Issue categories are listed in Appendix A in the user manual. The final report is the review status report. This report gives numbers of tiles that have been assigned and the percentage in each acceptance status. This enables the manager to easily see if an assigned user is nearly complete with their assigned tiles, or if the tiles need to be moved from one user to another. This concludes the general overview on generating reports in Fugro Access. For more information, please refer to Fugro Access's user manual that can be accessed by clicking on your username and selecting User Manual. Thank you for watching, and please check out our other Fugro Access tutorials.